everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I've got this crocheted headband tutorial for you. It's got a really lovely texture and it's just made up using a simple stitch repeat, so let's get started. You'll need some chunky yarn. I'm using this Mammoth Chunky 100% acrylic, but any chunky yarn would be lovely, and a 5mm crochet hook. And in today's video I'm going to be using UK terms. To start with, we need to make a slip knot and chain 75 chain stitches. "74, 75. So for row 1 we need to make in the third chain from the hook, so 1, 2, 3, we need to make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 treble crochet into the same chain stitch. And you skip the next 2 chains, so 1, 2, and we repeat that stitch again, so 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 treble into the same stitch. And we repeat this pattern along the row, and that's what gives it the lovely texture as we go along. So skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. I'm going to show you one more time. Skip 2 chains and repeat the pattern of 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 treble crochet. And we'll continue along the row and I'll meet you at the other end. Okay, when we get to the end of the row, rather than doing the stitch repeat in that final chain stitch, we're just going to do a double crochet. So we skip 2 chains and in the final stitch do a double crochet and chain 1 and turn the work. For row 2 we need to repeat the stitch pattern all the way across the row in each of the chain 1 spaces from row 1. So if we find the first chain space, which is that one there, and we want to make a double crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, all in that same chain 1 space, and then repeat in the next chain 1 space, so double crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, and repeat that pattern all the way across the row and I'll meet you at the other end. Now we're at our last chain one space in the row, so we repeat the pattern again, double crochet, chain one, treble crochet, and then to finish the row we make one final double crochet in the turning chain, which can be a little bit tricky to see, but it's just there. There we go. A final double crochet, and that's the end of row 2. To continue with the headband, we need to repeat row 2 5 more times so that we end up with 7 rows in total. So chain 1, turn the work, and in that first chain 1 space, double crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, all the way across. Now we're at the end of row 3, we need to make the final pattern repeat in the last chain 1 space, and a final double crochet in the turning chain from row 2, which is that space just there. And just continue on until we've completed the 7 rows. we've completed the 7 rows of the pattern, we need to double crochet into each stitch around the edge just to give it a nice finish. Once you've finished edging the headband, sew in the ends. And then taking another piece of yarn and a darning needle, we want to join the ends of the headband. I'm going to be using mattress stitch, but however you want to join together is absolutely fine. So now we just need to fasten off and weave in the ends. And there's the finished headband. I hope you enjoyed making it. Please like and subscribe if you did, and if you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.